Oh look, going up that elevator in there. This chap is lifting onions up. He's putting them in the row for the machines when they come and pick them up. Like I say, he's lifting 4 rows at a time, and then when they dry out, the other machine will come along and he'll pick them up and put them into trailers. It lifts 4 rows at a time, and as you can see, that put it into 1 row. Yeah, he's breaking the land down ready for drilling wheat. Tell you what, the old tractor sound nice, because some of these old tractors do. Yeah, he's got some old bits and pieces on the front. The whole pallet, look. We're down at Hillsborough, which is in Norfolk. That's a fairly old New Holland tractor. That's a P-Reg, whatever that is. And the set of harrows was built in 85, so the driver told me. 85. So that's a year too old. Yeah, there's a bit of dust there, isn't there? Yeah, they're packing up for the night now. It's got a bit damp. I was just speaking to the tractor driver, and he said with the old sea air down here, because the sun is just over the back of the sea, that make it damp, and they don't start too early in the morning over, he reckon. They're carting this right down to Great Bromley. This is where their main farm is. A 20-foot cut, and that's a 2264 John Deere combine, and the tractor and trailer, we've got a 7530 John Deere tractor with the grain trailer, which is 16 ton. Yeah, he's just filled it up, now he's taking it back to the farm to be kept up. Now look, he put that nozzle in the top there, look. And then he'll pump the liquid out of that into his tanker. It's a 380 horsepower with this big slurry tank, which you can see has got 3 axles on it. There's the big pump on the front where he pumps it out of the lorry into his own trailer. In that tank he get 29 tonne of liquid in there, and when that's fully loaded, this whole machine weighs 60 tonne. 60 tonne. So this is a very, very big bit of machinery. Like I said, it's the only one in the UK. Now look, Johnny like that's dribbling out. It's got a fair old coverage here. I think the driver told me that's over 60 foot boom on that. Yeah, I'm lucky to get this one in. He's just on the last bout of the field now. I've been speaking to the driver and he said this is the only one in the country. This one was exported from Germany. There she comes. It's a big old bit of machinery, this one. We've got a Class Challenger, which is on tracks, and we've got a power, which is breaking the land down, ready for drilling. That's an old Challenger, and ain't got so many lights on the front as what the new one says. That look like that's a V-Reg. Can't be a V surely, or is it a 58? 2008. He did tell me what year that was, 2000, year 2000 that is. He's thinking about getting rid of it and getting a more modern one. Yeah, look, it's got a press on the front of this one. What it do is, it's like spring tines, look. I break the land down in front. And the one behind, just break it up a bit more. Yeah, he's getting the soil ready here to drill wheat. We're down at Great Barton on the 134 roundabout. Look, their second trailer's joined in now. They'll take over when this one's full. Yeah, these onions here, they've been lifted by a different machine. It hasn't been lifted by this machine. This one just comes along and picks them up and put them straight into the trailer. They like the John Deere's, this farmer. All John Deere tractors. We're down at Stambourne. Yeah, it's nice to see these older combines. Like so, I think that's only about a 16-foot cut on this one. Sounds nice. The good old bark cut. He's drilling wheat here. Now it's a lovely day. It's beautiful, really. That's a reasonably old tractor, this one. That's 2010, I think. 2010. We've got a John Deere 7530 tractor with a power drill.